Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create realistic looking grass in Maya with help of XGen expression. So let's get started. First you have to set project. Rename this one as Maya grass. Go to file, project window, name the project your grass, location, select the location. I select this, click accept. Now take a polygon plane, increase the size of the plane, increase the subdivision width and height to 25. Go to modify, click freeze transformation, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to file, click save scene, name the scene as grass. Now we selected the plane. On your modeling menu, go to generate, click XGen editor. The XGen editor will show here. On with selected your polygon plane, click create description. See. Now go to create light, take a directional light, increase the light, rotate the light just like this, and move the light slightly up just here. Go to Arnold light, take a sky dome light. Now go to Arnold, click render and see the effect. If you don't set project and don't save your scene, this rendering will not show you. See, this is very important. You should bear in mind this. Now close the rendering window. On collection, select description, right click, assign new material, select Arnold shader, AI standard surface, select this one, AI standard surface, open your hypershade window, select, first rename your AI standard surface, grass mat. Now select the material. From here, click on this icon, input output connection. Press tab key on your keyboard and add a node, AI user data color node, user data color node. See, we selected this. On attribute type here grass. This is very important. You should not wrong the spelling. Capital C, grass color. Copy this. Press enter and connect the out color to your Arnold base color. Now minimize the hypershade window. Again Arnold render and see. Now it's look like black color. Keep it as. Now open your XGen editor. On primitive, click on this icon, eye icon. This will update your scene. Density, increase the density to 30 or 31. Move this one here. Otherwise you will not see your expression editor. Click on this icon, expression editor icon, and press spacebar, multiply, type rand 0.121. Click, first copy this value, click accept. Now increase the length and see. White, you can increase the white also. Decrease the length slightly. Now go down, increase the tapering. Increase the taper start. Again on bend param, try to increase and see. First click on this bend param expression and type here 0.2, 2.9. Click accept. Now select bend U, open bend U expression editor and type here 1.5 to minus 1.5. Copy this. Click accept. Now slide your bend U slider and see. Open your bend V expression editor and copy the value which have you written for your bend U. Click accept. Slide the bend V slider and see. Decrease the white. Now wide RAM, move this one down. Just like this. Again go down. Now click on this eye icon. This will update your scene. Now go to preview and output. Go down. Select renderer. None instead of Arnold renderer. Again go down. Go to custom shader and parameter. Open your hypershade. Select your AI user data color and copy this name. This is very important. You should spelling just like this, grass capital C color. Close your hypershade window and paste the name. Float, change it to color. Click on this plus icon. Otherwise you will not see the option. See, this is very important. You should click on this plus icon. This will show you this color grass expression editor. Open the expression editor and type here rand 2.5. Type this icon 0.05 comma space 1 comma rand 2.3. Copy this. Click accept. Now again save your scene. Open this color grass expression editor and see the color. See this color. This will be your grass color. Now close this window. Again go to Arnold, render view and see. See, this in this process you can create realistic looking grass in Maya 2022. See, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.